everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the color of social media icons in your Shopify header. First, access your Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click the Online Store button. This opens the Themes page. Find and select your current theme. Click the three-dot button, then select Edit Code from the menu. In the Theme Files page, use the filter to search for base.css. Click on the base.ss file to open your store's appearance script. This script controls your entire store's look and feel. Scroll down to the very bottom of this script. At the last line, which is blank, press enter to create a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description. Just access the page, find the code we'll use, and click the copy button. After copying, go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line we left. Now, to change the social icon color in the header, it's simple. In the first line, you'll see a hashtag with a color code. Just replace it with your desired color. If you're unsure about the color or its code, look to the side. There's a link to a Host2B site. Select and copy it. Visit this site to find a field where you can select your desired color. You'll see a full color palette to choose from. After picking, there's a button below to copy the color code. Just click it. After copying, go back to Shopify. On the line with the current code, select the hashtag and code, delete it, and paste the new code you copied from the Host2B site. This will apply the new color. I'll keep the old code, but you can use any color you want. Next, go to the top right and click the Save button. Just click it and the changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store, you'll see the header icon's color has changed. Before, it was white. I've set it to dark gray. You'll see your chosen color. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.